use include function.
So that is the question, is B a subsequence of A? And let's try to solve it. So that is a problem, and let's understand what is subsequence means. Let's first understand what is subsequence means. A subsequence is a sequence that can be derived from another sequence by deleting some or no element without changing the order, of the remaining element. Let's suppose 1637. 137 is a subsequence because the order is same. Is that 3 comes after 1, 7 comes after 3, and the same thing after 3 after 1. Can I say that 317 are subsequence? Can I say that in this sequence?
No.
Because order has changed. If the number is present, still number is present in this sequence. 317 are present, but the problem is that order has changed. 1 is coming after 3. That is not possible. 3 is after coming 1. So order has changed. You don't need to change the order. Okay. So let's try to understand something. 3167 is not from this. Okay. Can you tell me 163 is a 163 is a subsequence or not?
Yes, it's a subsequence.
Or is it subarray or not?
Yes.
Yes, because it's a consecutive. That is also a subarray and that is also a subsequence. Okay. So subsequence is bigger than. Okay. So let's try to implement this code. Okay. Nothing much. So you have two numbers n and m. Two arrays, A consists of n number, B consists of m number. Determine B is a subsequence of A and or not. So 1 or 7 is subsequence. Yes, subsequence are there, 1 or 7. Okay. So you have to print it. Okay. Let's try to do it code. So see that. So we have to go like how to find subsequence. Okay. So I'll give the idea how to do it. Okay. First, let's try to is 147 and we have 17. So we have like we will choose two pointer. Okay. One is I is here and J is here. I will check, is J equal I? The element of J is 1, the element of I is 1. Is it equal? Is it equal?
Yes.
Okay. I move to I next. I move to J next. Okay. Is 7 equal 4?
No.
Then I move only I. Then I move only I, not J. Is it J? Is it 7 equal 7? Yes, I move J next element here and we have to move I here. If J reach till end point of this point, if J reach till end point, that means if I index from 0 and index 1, that means J become 2. And what is 2? 2 is M. If J equal M, that means it you have to print yes. If J equal M, then you have to print yes, else no. Else no. Now you understand this basic concept.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Let's try to code. Scene M, and vector LV of N, V1 of M, I equal to 0, I less than N, I plus plus, scene V of I, or LL J equal to 0, J less than M, J plus plus, scene V1 or J. Okay. So see that one thing you notice that we have to two pointer. Okay. LL F equal to 0 and S equal to 0. Okay. And I will check it. So I can do one thing now. We have to traverse something like that for LL J equal to 0. LL I equal to 0, I less than N, I plus plus. If S of I, not S is V. If V of I is not equal to V1 of J. Okay. If it is not equal to V1 of J. If it is not equal, like let's suppose this 7 is not equal to 4, then you have to remove, they have to do nothing, you have to do continue. Yes or not? I plus plus, continue is I plus plus. Else, if it is equal, you have to do else j plus plus. Okay. Now, one thing you have to notice that, let's assume that one test case, you have to assume that, see that if j equal m, C out yes, NL, else C out no, NL. Okay. If I write something like that and you see one test case, I will cover it and you will see the where it can be fail. Okay. See that we are getting correct output, but here see that if I have two input 1 and 7 and we have 3 input of m, and see what happens. Okay. 2 3 5. Okay. Or maybe 1 7 5. Let's assume that. Okay. So what would be the output? Tell me. There will no. इसका भी no. कोई डाउट है इसमें, इस पॉइंट तक बताओ मेरे को. Any doubt you have?
No way, I got it.
Just try to submit the code. Okay. And you'll see that code is working running on test 31 and it will become accepted soon. Okay. So our code is accepted. Okay. So okay, code accepted. So you understand now the logic part? I just mark it. Okay.